Hello, Lake Elsinore. I thought I'd film the pelicans here on the lake. I guess that's one way of getting rid of the carp. I wondered, did the city of Elsinore bring the pelicans here, or they just showed up one day and decided to like it? I should have used the GoPro for this one. And over there, Jack's Barbecue, you got those turkey vultures. Yeah. Yeah, vultures have one thing in common with humans. They both pick at the bones when a person dies or another animal. Cold-hearted people are. They'll show up on the same day, bothering the family if they want to sell their stuff. Oh yeah, that's what we call them on the ham radio, vultures. And the marine layer is burning off on the Ortega. Yeah, I used to live up there and get up early in the morning and you couldn't see Lake Elsinore. The fog was so bad, or the marine layer we want to call it. I remember a time the winds were blowing real bad and I was up there living up down. So much dust in the air. Oil Elsinore was wiped out. It was clear up there. That's Jack's Barbecue over there, all those picnic tables. They put those little flags there up telling people no trespassing 4th of July. I don't know why they don't put a big platform out there in the center of the lake and people go out there and fish. I mean, they could put a little restaurant type thing where people can get Coke, hot dogs, whatever, you know. Yeah, like that thing. They used to pump air into the lake. Put two of those things together. Yeah, it worked really good. People could fish the center of the lake. Maybe they get the big one out there.